Hello everyone, and today I'm going to show you how to make a microscope with a laser lens. So here I have a laser which was lying around in the house and it does not work anymore, so I'm going to open this. So you need a laser and some kind of a tape which is temporary, which does not stick too hard with the surfaces. Pliers will be really handy for this thing, and obviously a phone with a camera. A flash is recommended because it will make it look a lot better, and also a case. So first we'll take the laser, and with the help of the pliers we'll open the laser. So we can catch it right here and we can open it. Now here we have a cap which we'll have to unscrew from the laser body. Inside this cap we have a spring and the lens, so be careful while opening it because the lens might fly out and it's very small. So we can twist it and unscrew it, and there we go. And if we take those things out, we have the lens and the spring. And if we see inside the laser now, we can see that there is the module which produces the laser light. So we don't need this, and we don't need the spring as well. We only need the lens. So you can keep that away. Now if we take a closer look at the lens, you will find out that one of the sides is curved and one side is kind of flat. So the side which is flat, it can go outside as well, or else inside. You'll have to see it with your camera, which looks great. So you'll have to see whether you have to put the flat side outside or else towards the camera. You might not see it that well on the camera, but if you take a look at it by yourself, then you can see the curved surface and the flat surface of the lens. And it is very small, so make sure you handle it with care. It is not made of glass. I do know it is made up of plastic, but it can be lost if not handled with care. So now we'll take the lens and our phone. A case is recommended so that we can stick it nicely. So whichever side you are preferring, put that on the lens and we'll use the tape to stick it there. So it should look something like this. Make sure that the lens and the flash is out of the way from the tape, the flash, and on the lens you can just put the tape on the sides so that it just holds it there. And now let's test this. So this is a fabric of a bed sheet. This is without the lens obviously. So now we'll see it with the lens. And let the lens focus here, and there we go. That is with the microscopic lens. You can't see cells with this, but that is really helpful to see small things such as this pen nib. Let's see, this is a gel pen, and now if we use the lens, this is without and this is with. As you can see, we can look more clearly and we can zoom it. And here we have an insect on the wall, and as you can see, it looks really big. And if you have zooming feature in your camera, in your mobile phone, you can use that as well to zoom, to increase the zoom functions. So thanks for watching and please subscribe.